Hello everyone. As you all know, myself Smruthii studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in second semester from the section Ferrari. So today's subject is waste management. So let's go on to the topic. So today my topic is comparative assignment of the waste management. Introduction. Waste management is crucial for the environmental sustainability. Comparative assignment helps to evaluate the effectiveness of the waste management practices. This presentation will compare waste management strategies globally. Landfill. Landfill is a common waste disposal method globally. The environmental impact of the landfill includes the groundwater contamination and the greenhouse gases emissions. Countries like Sweden have significantly reduced the landfill use through the waste-to-waste inclination. Recycling. Recycling helps to conserve the resources and reduce the waste. Countries like Germany have a well-established recycling infrastructure with high recycling rates. Challenges in recycling include the contamination of the materials and lack of the public awareness. Composting. Composting is an effective way to manage the organic waste. Countries like Netherlands have successfully implemented large-scale composting programs. Composting reduces the methane emissions and produces the nutrient-rich soil. Waste to energy. Waste to energy technologies convert the waste into electricity or heat. Countries like Denmark utilize waste to energy plants to generate the renewable energy. Waste to energy can help to reduce the reliance on the fossil fuels and mitigate the climate change. Circular economy. The circular economy promotes the reuse and recycling of the materials. Countries like Japan have embraced circular economy principles to minimize the waste generation. Circular energy practices can lead to resources conservation and the economic benefits. Hazardous of the waste management. Hazardous waste management. Waste poses a significant risk to the human health and the environment. Countries like the United States have the stringent regulations for hazardous waste disposal. Proper management of the hazardous waste includes the treatments of the storage and disposal. E-waste management. E-waste management, including the electronic devices, is a growing concern globally. Countries like the Switzerland has established the e-waste recycling programs to recover the valuable materials. Improper disposal of the e-waste can lead to the environmental pollution and health hazards. Plastic waste management. Plastic pollution is a major environmental issue worldwide. Countries like Norway have implemented the plastic recycling initiatives to reduce the plastic waste. Innovative solutions such as biodegradable plastic and the plastic bans are being adopted to address the plastic waste problem. So, my second topic is about the composition of developing and developed nations. So, let's learn about this. Introduction of this topic. Developing the nation are characterized by the lower income levels, limited access to the healthcare and education, and higher poverty rates. Developed nations have the higher income levels, better infrastructure, and the greater access to the healthcare and the education. The composition of these nations plays a significant role in shaping their economic and social political landscapes. Education. Developing nations face the challenges in providing the quality of the education to their populations due to the limited resources and infrastructure. Developed nations prioritize the education and invest heavily in educational systems to ensure a skilled workforce and a competitive economy. Disparities in education levels can contribute to the widening the gap between the developing and developed nations. Healthcare. Developing the nations often lack the adequate healthcare infrastructure, leading to higher rates of pre- uh, preventable diseases, and limited access to healthcare services. Developed nations have advanced healthcare systems that provide quality care to their populations, resulting in the lower mortality rates and better health outcomes. Disparities in the healthcare highlight the importance of addressing the health inequalities to promote global well-being. Infrastructure. Developing the nations face challenges in developing and maintaining the infrastructure such as roads, electricity, and telecommunication networks. Developed nations have well-established infrastructure that supports the economic growth, connectivity, and quality of the life for the citizens. Disparities in the infrastructure can impact a nation's ability to attract the investments, create jobs, and improve the living standards. Trade and globalization. Developing the nation often rely on the exports of the raw material and agricultural products, facing the challenges and diversifying their economies and competing in the global markets. Developed nations have diversified their economies and engaged in global trade, benefiting from the access to advanced technologies, capitals, and markets. Disparities in the trade and global globalization can affect a nation's economic growth, employment, opportunities, and all over the prosperity. Conclusion of the topic. The composition of developing and developed nations reflects their economic, social, and political characters, shaping their trajectories of the growth and prosperity. Addressing the disparities between the developing and developed nations requires a coordination effort in the areas such as education, healthcare, infrastructure, and governance. By working together towards the common goals and promoting the global cooperation, we can build more equitable and sustainable world for future generations. Sustainable Development Goals. Developing the nations are working towards the achieving the nations United Nations Development SDGs to address the poverty, hunger, health, education, and the environmental sustainability. Developed nations plays a crucial role in supporting the developing nations in achieving the SDGs through the partnerships, investments, and the knowledge of sharing. Collaboration between the developing and developed nations is essential to ensure a sustainable and inclusive future for all. Political system or developing the nations may struggle with the political instability, corruption, and governance issues that hinder their development and growth. Developed nations have a suitable stable political system, strong institutions, and transport governments frameworks that support the economic prosperity and the local cohesion. Disparities in the local and the political systems can influence a nation's ability to address the issues such as the poverty, inequality, and climate changes. I hope this video helped you. Thank you.